It's actually happening. After endless speculation and a million different stories every day, Philippe Coutinho to Barcelona is going ahead, as per recent reports. Jason Burt from The Telegraph has also said the Brazilian is indeed Barca-bound, and an official announcement isn't far off now. And if you want further reports from a reliable source, Melissa Reddy from Goal has weighed in with her info. The 25-year-old was heavily courted by Barcelona in the summer, but a deal could not be reached, and he stayed put at Anfield, where he's been irresistible. Barca's interest in Coutinho was never going to go away though, as was his desire to make the move to the new camp, and Nike's accidental leak on their website on 30 December fueled speculation that it was happening this January. Since then we've been inundated with conflicting reports galore surrounding the transfer before things looked fishy when Coutinho was not part of the Liverpool squad for their last few games. But now it seems a breakthrough has occurred, and Coutinho will soon be announced as the second most expensive player in football history, just behind his compatriot Neymar. In addition, the £142 million fee will eclipse the £89 million Manchester United paid to land Paul Pogba a couple of years back, therefore making the deal a British transfer record.